Good morning everyone. My name is B. Elina Gautam. Today I am going to teach you about number system. So let's start learning. So mathematics is all about numbers. So here is a picture showing you the numbers and its types. We'll look into one after the other. First one is a natural numbers. Numbers starting from 1 and end with infinity are called natural number, but the condition is except 0, fractions and decimal. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. comes under the category of natural number. Then whole number. Every natural number as well as 0 is called whole number. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, etc. Next is an integer. Every whole number and the negative of every whole number is an integer. For example, you can say minus 6, 6, minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, plus 2, etc. These are integers. For example, which are positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are positive integers. Negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are negative integers. Non-negative integers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Non-positive integers are 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 will be coming both in the category of non-negative integers and non-positive integers. Next comes your fractions. Fractions means the number which are in the form of a by b, where a and b are natural numbers. For example, 3 by 4. Here 3 indicates your numerator and f 4 indicates your denominator. For example, a divided by b, a indicates your numerator and b will be your denominator. Fractions are of two types, that is proper and improper. Proper means numerator will be smaller and denominator will be greater. For example, let's take head as numerator and body as denominator. Improper, head will be smaller and body will be greater, as like a normal human beings, which is a perfect proper thing. In improper, numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Numerator, that means head is greater and body is smaller. It is looking very improper. So by looking at the figure, you can easily remember the concept of proper and improper fraction. Then next comes your rational number. The number which can be expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are integers, but b should always be not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 is called rational number. For example, 5 by 8 minus 10 by 9. Some important points about rational number is that 0 can be written as 0 by 1. We all know, which is equal to 0 is a rational number, right? Every fraction is a rational number. Fraction is also in the form of a by b like rational number, so it comes under the category of it rational number. Every terminating decimal is a rational number. That means which will be ending, like 9 by 10 is equal to 0.9, which is ending, it is terminating, right? It will come under rational number. Every non-terminating repeating is a rational number. Those which are not terminating but they are repeating, so this will also come in the category of rational number. Then irrational number, the number which cannot be expressed in the form of a by b, where a and b are integer but b will be always equal to greater than 0, will be greater than 0, and a and b should have no common factor except 1 are called irrational number. For example, 1.414, which is equal to root 2, is a irrational number. All non-terminating and non-recurring decimal is a irrational number. You can say 3.14, which is a value of pi, is a irrational number. Next come your real number and imaginary number. Real number, all rational and irrational number are real number. Whether it is rational or irrational, it will come under the category of real number. Example 5 by 9. Right? Then imaginary number, the number which doesn't exist and cannot be represented on number line are imaginary number. For example, Root of -1 is an imaginary number which cannot be represented on number line. Okay. Then comes your odd number. The number which are not divisible by 2 is called odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the next will be 11, of course. Even number. The number which are divisible by 2 is called even number. Okay. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Then comes your prime number. The number which have exactly two factor, that is 1 and itself, is called prime number. Example 2, 2 is the only even prime number, remember that. And other prime number are always odd prime number, they are not even. 2 is the only even prime number. Composite number, number which have more than two factor, at least three factor. For example, 4 is the smallest composite number, right? Then next is a perfect number. What is perfect number? Sum of all the factors excluding the number is equal to the number itself. For example, let's say 6. 6 has how many factor? 4 factor. 1, 2, 3 and 6. So except the number, that means except 6. The factors are 1, 2, 3. The sum of 1, 2, 3 is equal to 6, the number itself. So it is a perfect number, right? So this is all about numbers and its type. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention.